What is going on, Dingoos? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking what you should do if you only have $1,000 and you want to get started in crypto and you want to start investing. This is all about investing, building a strong foundation. We're not going to talk about day trading, swing trading, whatever. This is talking about building a strong foundation in the crypto space, investing your time, your money, your energy in building a foundation for future success in the crypto space. Crypto Web3 is the future. It's going to be the biggest vehicle of biggest vehicle of generational wealth transfer out there, right? Will be Web3 for at least my generation. And if you want to be a part of it long term, this video is for you. So it's 5 easy steps. This will really get you on the right path to success. So let's go ahead and jump in it. First thing to do, I see a lot of people doing crypto, doing DeFi applications, doing play to earn games, everything under the tree on their phones. And although you can do that, it's not the best. It's definitely significantly easier to get yourself a laptop, get yourself all the digital wallets on your laptop, and interact with applications that way. It makes your life a lot easier. I would definitely say first thing you need to do is get yourself a laptop, a relatively good one. Obviously, it's all, you gotta budget it, right? So get yourself a relatively good laptop is most certainly the first step. After you accomplish that, second will be get your Twitter squared away. What the frick does that mean? Get your Twitter squared away. What does it mean? It means Twitter is really the best source of information when it comes to crypto. Let me show you how you do that. So a couple of years ago, probably 2.5, 3 years ago, I decided to unfollow all my family, all my friends from Twitter. Why? Because guess what? Facebook is for drama. Leave the friend and family drama for the good old Facebook. Twitter is most certainly a great tool for educating yourself on the crypto space. And check it out. So basically, the only people I follow 1,100 people on here, and every single one of them are either blockchain devs, application devs, crypto alpha people, like just very, and just like DeFi projects in general. So check out my feed. Like, this is my feed, literally jam-packed with crypto information over the last 2-3 years. If you follow all crypto people, like, you will learn so much in a couple years. In 1 or 2 years, you'll literally have a degree in crypto, education, right? You'll literally learn so much in crypto. You'll be drinking from a fire hose for a year, but eventually you'll catch on. There's a bunch of lingo terms. It gets in depth, but this is probably the easiest way to level up your crypto education, is ironically through a platform such as Twitter. Crypto Twitter is legit. You learn a lot. That is your first step. Actually, your second step. But if you already have a laptop, good, you're good to go, or a desktop, and then get your Twitter squared away, and then you'll start learning so much. Next is get your digital wallets, right? So there's a bunch of different networks. Okay, so there's a bunch of different networks. We got the Ethereum network. There's certain characteristics that go with the Ethereum network. There's certain characteristics that go with the Binance Smart Chain. See, all these different ones are different networks. You can see their total value locked. This is DeFi Llama if you want to go check it out yourself. You can see the number of protocols on it. So if I click on Ethereum right now, you see all the different applications built on Ethereum, the total value locked within that protocol. So if you want to check out any of these applications, you can go ahead and click on it, click on their website and check it out, and maybe utilize it if you want. Obviously, if you're just getting started with $1,000, I probably would say stay away from Ethereum because it's super expensive to use at the moment. So, but you still probably need to get the MetaMask wallet, which is default on the Ethereum network, but I will show you how to do that. So just go to MetaMask, get the Chrome extension, download now. This is my MetaMask wallet, and as you can see, it is on the Matic network right now, but basically it will just look like this: Ethereum mainnet, and then you'll have all your other networks also connected, right? And I have a video on how exactly to do that. I will link it below. It literally goes step by step on how to add all these different networks to your MetaMask wallet, right? So all these different networks you can add to your MetaMask wallet, and then you go back to DeFi Llama and look at this, Avalanche. Let's check out what applications are on Avalanche, right? So here's a bunch of different applications on Avalanche. Okay, so what does this mean? Now you still have $1,000 in your bank account, but you're taking steps in the right direction to build a good foundation. You got a digital wallet, you're connected to all the different networks. You are following a bunch of new people on Twitter that are just absolutely dropping knowledge bombs on you all the freaking time. So now you work through the first 3 steps. Now you are ready. Now you are ready. But first, before we go ahead, I do have a newsletter dropping every single Monday. I spend so much time dropping like alpha, so much alpha. Exclusive Discord goes along with this. It is $5 a week, but if you want to support me, this is the best way to do it. I spend so much time writing this. If you want to support me, and hopefully this will add a lot of value to your weekly knowledge bombs. So link is in the description. It will be right here. Subscribe today. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. DeFi Degen newsletter comes with exclusive Discord, and you can add exclusive help desk. Ask me any questions you have along the way. Link is in the description. I appreciate it, but let's continue. So buying digital assets and get them on these networks, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to get your digital assets and put them on these networks. How should you do this? That's where Centralized Exchange comes in handy. This is Coinbase Pro. Coinbase has higher fees. Coinbase Pro has lower fees. So what you want to do is go ahead and connect your bank account to Coinbase Pro. Click banking, connect your bank account. Boom, boom, boom. I just doxed myself. Great. But send me an email. I really don't care. Whatever. But so you got my email address. Congratulations. Shoot me an email. Say hello. Whatever. I really don't care. But anyways, so there is. So you just buy your digital assets on Coinbase Pro. I would probably say the reason why I say either buy a stable coin such as USDC, right, or buy ETH, right, because you need to send this to your digital wallets. So if you buy something like, let's say, okay, so all those are, if you buy something like ADA, you cannot send this to your Ethereum wallet, your Avalanche wallet, all these different networks. You cannot send this token to those networks. Why? Because this token is not built on the Ethereum network. Okay, so this token is totally separate. It's its own blockchain. You cannot send this to your Ethereum wallet. Okay, so but that is beside the point. So get yourself something that you can send to your Ethereum wallet, like Link, like Ethereum, like USDC, etc. So once you do that, you go ahead and press withdraw and send it to your public address on your Ethereum network, right? So you copy this. This is your public address. Withdraw it to that public address, and then you will withdraw your digital assets from Coinbase Pro, and you will send it to your MetaMask, your Ethereum wallet. Really, this is just an interface of your Ethereum wallet. So MetaMask, really behind this is your Ethereum wallet, and your Ethereum wallet is on the Ethereum blockchain, right? So this is just an easy interface on how to interact with your Ethereum wallet, right? So there you go, boom, boom, boom. And next is, so once you have digital assets in your digital wallet, whatever network you want it on, right? You will have to bridge. I also have a video on how to bridge your assets as well if you don't want to use Ethereum network, which most of you don't, right? So bridge your assets and then use applications and learn. Yes, this is not investing, but at the same time, you can play around with these DeFi applications. So here's a long list of DeFi applications you can try, or just applications in general. Like you can do play to earn games, right? Here's a bunch of play to earn games if you want to check those out and maybe make some passive income with play to earn games, right? So here's a whole list of play to earn games that you can check out and start earning money today just by playing a game, right? So those are two things. Check out DeFi applications, check out play to earn games. And what I would say, if you want to conservatively invest in something, I would definitely check out this yield pool. I know if you watched many of my videos before, you know this yield pool, and this yield pool is the Try Crypto pool, right? So this is 33% Bitcoin, 33% stable coins, and 33% Ethereum, right? So if you look at this, it's basically a very conservative index fund of 33% Ethereum, 33% Bitcoin, 33% stable coins, and then you can earn 30% APY on those assets, right? So you're earning APY, you're earning yield while in a conservative index fund of digital assets. This is probably the go-to move if you want to just leave it and forget it, right? So if you can find your way into this pool, I have a lot of videos, beefy finance tutorial. I go through it all. So check it out. This is probably what I would say with your $1,000. If you want to do something conservative, not financial advice, whatever, do whatever you want. It's your money. I really don't care. But that's what I would say if you want to be conservative plus earn that APY is definitely this pool right here. Try crypto on Curve. So that is all, guys. I hope if you have $1,000 and want to get started in crypto, I would definitely say make sure you set yourself up for long-term success. My channel is not about day trading. It's about being in for the long term. It's about investing in the future of Web3, which is undoubtedly the future, guys. But that is all for today. If you want to ask questions, join the Discord. Make sure you like and subscribe. Become a Dingleberry today. And that is all for today, guys. Make sure you follow my Twitter. And peace out till next time. Dingle. Peace out.